Here are the new foldable devices from Samsung. Biggest highlight: the Galaxy Z Fold 3 now supports Samsung's S Pen and targets directly towards the seemingly defunct Galaxy Note series. The Z Flip 3, on the other hand, might appeal to a more fashion-conscious audience. Despite the different form factors, both of these smartphones do have a lot in common. They offer an IPX8 rating for protection against water, and they both sport Gorilla Glass Victors to protect the foldable displays. A Snapdragon 888 powers Samsung's new devices, and both of them feature wireless charging and offer stereo speakers. The most spectacular innovation in the Galaxy Z Fold 3 would be the under-display 10-megapixel camera. While this might be less impressive in everyday use, the exterior display is now 6.2 inches in size and finally big enough to be used comfortably. On the back, Samsung borrowed the camera configuration from the Galaxy S21, which results in a trio of 12-megapixel sensors. As for the Z Flip 3, the most important innovation would be the larger secondary display. Measuring 1.9 inches in diameter, it is now 4 times larger than its predecessor. The 10-megapixel selfie camera does not take the under-display route, while the backside of the phone features a dual camera setup at 12 megapixels for each sensor. One can only deduce that pictures would be a rung below the Fold 3 or S series. Still interested in finding out more about the devices? Then check out our hands-on impressions on NextPit.com.